So cute. Timing chain's still intact. Let's see if she got any oil in her. I know the block's broken. I'll show y'all in just a second. Well, okay, dipstick will barely come out. And it's no surprise that there is no oil in there, because I think we'll get that back in there. This right here is cracked. I don't know if you can see the compressor mount is broken off. It didn't get the oil filter housing. I don't know if it got the back side of the block, probably with the manifold. That is the wildest thing I've seen all day, which the stud that holds the cross member in is pulled out of the body. Very interesting. I have a key fob. Transmission thinks it's not in park, even though it is. I've verified that the transmission shifter lever is actually in the park position. I don't know if there's a neutral safety switch damaged, most likely. There, hey Sean. Center for perfectly on. So power fold, no power fold. Alright, you guys.